Hello everyone, I hope you hear me well. I'm without earpods, without microphone. I'm still in this holiday mood, let's say. But before going to sleep, I decided to check altcoins, only altcoins, not stock market, not Bitcoin, just altcoins. And this is what I noticed. If you read my tweet, then I wrote that most altcoins look good and ready to give a good green candle to touch 200 EMA on daily time frame. All right, and some altcoins look like ready to give up to 50, 100% of the move. Honestly, it is a kind of a lot, but if we will zoom out the chart, we can see that it's not that much. And I decided to record this video to just explain quickly what I mean, so you understand. All right, I'm not calling for the alt season right now, all right, because look at this. If we zoom out, if we just zoom out, what do we see? First of all, I left only 200 EMA, okay, and I have only RSI and just a clean chart. So I was just going through the altcoins. I decided to see like what is going on since I'm in holidays, and I'm not trading much and I'm not checking a lot of coins. But now I just decided to see like, okay, what is going on, because Bitcoin had a nice run. Still, it doesn't look super strong, and SP500 still doesn't look super strong. But since we have monthly close soon, then monthly opening soon, there can be some good volatility. And of course, as I said before, coins never just go down, right? There are always some ways up, down, up, down, up, down, and so on. So what did I see, for example, on this coin, WLD, a world coin, right? Or what did I see, for example, on WooCoin? And I see that most of them, they have very similar structure. First of all, after this crazy dump, and of course, if I want to measure the dump, it will show me only 83%, which I don't know if it's actually 83% or not, because when I decided to just to measure if I would long, for example, or buy spot at the current price this coin and hold it at least until 200 EMA, it shows me 107% of the move, right? Which honestly doesn't make sense much, but it shows what it shows. So that's why I wrote that some coins can give 50 to 100% of the move. And yeah, what else did I see? First of all, we had this crazy dump, right? And we can see that we had first move down and bounce, right? Then second move down and bounce, and another move and some small bounce, and now again dump. And now we can see that this coin is in consolidation, and it has this bullish divergence on a daily, right? Price goes down. Here RSI almost equal, right? And if we will go to some other time frames, we will also see some bullish divergence as well. Then what can we see? We can see that the RSI is flipped above 30, right? And whenever it flips above 30, it gives us moves up, so it can give us some, either it will be like a spike, a bullish spike, or it will just slowly go up. Then on even 3D we can see that it flipped above 30. So next stop gonna be at around middle, right? So to understand till which level the price can go, we can use FEGs. We can use FEGs and highlight strong resistant levels. Thanks to FEGs, and currently we can see this weekly FEG. So I will just highlight it like this. And what else do we see? We also see that this area was standing as a strong support before. So right now, of course, this area can stand as a strong resistance. So I expect the price to reach at least this weekly FEG, and then according to what will happen with market, right, we can check. Either we can keep our long position or spot, or either we can open swing short. And if right now you will buy, for example, this world coin at this level and keep at least until weekly FEG, you can take 76% of the move. Or if we go to daily, what can we see? We can see that also this weekly FEG comes to this 200 EMA. So approximately we can take 85% of the move, right? And then once price comes to 200 EMA, we can see either we can short or long, or keep our long position. Then let's go to this bull coin, right? What can we see? We had the same structure. We can see that on daily it flipped above 30, and slowly with this choppiness, the price was going up, and right now it's breaking above the middle. So what do I expect? Personally, I would want to see some pump, some real good bounce. But let's check other time frames. Weekly looks nice. We have this weekly bullish divergence, right? The price goes down. RSI is flat. Well, you understood what I mean. Then what do we have? We have here this weekly FEG, so we can expect that the price can reach this area, right? Let me extend it. And again, we can either, for example, if you will long here and keep this position as a swing, you can take at least 50% of the move and then see what will happen. And of course, if things will be positive, price can go even higher. And of course, in this case, you can take not 50%, but all 200% of the move. Let's check waves, for example. Sorry, I have some super old charts. Super old charts. For example, waves looks nothing. Okay. On daily it looks somehow more interesting, only because of this super long consolidation. And it looks like this triangle, and breakout can give a nice pump at least towards to this daily FVG. And the same we can go to Vanry, for example, also have almost the same structure as other coins and can give up to 148% of the move. So please use this video as I don't know, educational, or as how it called, just a second, like a cheat sheet. I was looking for this word. Okay, and so you can use this as a cheat sheet and focus on stronger coins. Look what RSI did, right? RSR coin did. We can see the same structure, and now it's heading to this 200 EMA, right? So yeah, just a second. People also almost same. So look for these coins that have bullish divergence on 12-hour, on daily time frame, on stronger time frames, that have nice structure, and that look really bullish. For example, this coin, Lina. Okay, Lina was not good. But yeah, just be careful, manage your risk management, because you can see as with this coin Lina, right? We can see that here, for example, it could have a nice chance to go higher, but there happened some sell off. It couldn't break this middle here. Middle on the other side, it shows this bearish divergence, and as a result we can see this crazy dump. I don't know what is the reason of this dump. Probably there's something happened, because this is one of the cases when the coin is just going against the market. I mean, most coins looks bullish, and they are following Bitcoin, Ethereum, but this one is just, I don't know, it's just another I need to read what happened to Lina. And also we can see on 4-hour it couldn't break 200 EMA. It rejected, and as a result we can see this crazy drop of, damn, 70%. Right, so please be careful with altcoins. Even though they look good right now, right? But please check, always double check on a 4-hour time, for example. Now would be nice to see as a confirmation flips the 4-hour time frame, and then take long. Here is same, flip 4-hour time frame and go higher, right? Here the same, flip. What's going on? Flip 4-hour time frame and go higher. All right. So this was just such short, I hope informative video, and I just want to share my thoughts, what I meant about where is it, this tweet, so you will not be confused, because high time frame, I'm still bearish about Bitcoin, and I will still look to short it at around 93K, right? So please be safe, trade safe. Next week gonna be even more volatile, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.